Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie. If you like makeup, subscribe. That's all I gotta say. If you like makeup, if you like Christmas, if you like breathing, if you like me, subscribe. Because girl, it's a good time. And you know what? The worst that can happen is if you subscribe, then you don't like, then guess what? You unsubscribe. But subscribe first, okay? I'm just telling you because it really helps me. It makes me happy. It makes me all giddy. Anyways guys, so today I'm gonna be doing this. This look, I love it. Bright green inner quarter. It's like a Christmas look. I think personally it's a Christmas look because there's green. My lips are very shiny. My highlighter is very gold. It's rich. It's expensive. Like, I love it with this shirt too. Like, it gives me like a good vibe. My lips are big as hell. I love overlining. I love big lips and I cannot lie. I've said this before. Anyways guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Now I know y'all be saying that tutorials are like overrated. Yeah, but it's cute though. Let's jump into the video. Oh my god, I forgot to say. Follow me on all my social media such as Instagram and Twitter. I have all the links in the description box down below. I don't use Snapchat no more. You can cancel that. She's canceled. Okay guys, you already saw what the look was gonna be in the intro. I don't know what the look's gonna be. So you know what? Let's do this. So I already primed from my Too Faced Just Peachy matte. I'm gonna take Fresh Picked and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of Just Peachy, just these two, so I can tone it down. It's almost a transition shade. I haven't like transition shade my eyes in so long, so I'm literally just gonna build sort of a transition. Gonna bring it really close up to my brow, just because we're gonna do something mainly smoky and neutral. I just want to say I'm blending this shadow on my eyes using the Morphe M330, and I used my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer to prime my eyes. So yeah. That literally took me no time to blend. I love this Too Faced palette. It just blends so well and literally the best. So from my Morphe 35M palette, I'm gonna take the shade named Fired Up just to add a little bit of, you know, something onto these eyes, girl. I want a little bit more warm. You can see I'm wearing this shirt. It's like velvet imitation. It's not really velvet. It kind of shedded when I first bought it, but I washed it, so we'll see. Bought it at Forever 21, and so I want a little bit of fiery burny shade just to match first, but also because I feel like Christmas is such a warm time, and you know. Also, this is my third Christmas look. I did not film my first two because exams, and I still have one exam left, but today is Friday, and because my exam was in the afternoon, I'm not working today, so I figured might as well, you know, might as well. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. What am I doing? We're gonna pack the darkest brown shade. I just need to know what it's named. See, that's my issue with this palette. That's the only problem I have with this palette, is that you always have to go back to like see what shade it is. So we're gonna take the shade Sparks Fly from the Morphe palette. This one right here, this brown. It doesn't look that dark on camera, but I can promise you, it's perfect. So I'm first gonna take it on this BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. I'm gonna first put it into my crease, and then we're gonna put it into, you know, the lid. As you can see, I packed that pretty harshly. I packed it actually using the e.l.f. Detail Crease Brush. I've been loving this brush lately. It's so little and itty bitty, and you can really get into those like small, unattainable corners. So I'm now going to take the BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going to dip it into some of the Fired Up shade, like the orange, this orange, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the Sparks Fly shade. I'm never going to remember these names, by the way. I'm sorry if I get them wrong. It's not my intention. It's rough. What we're gonna do is we're really gonna pack in the Sparks Fly shade and then go back up with the Fired Up shade to just blend everything out. Okay, BRB. So I just kept going back with the Sparks Up and the Fired Up. No, the Sparks Fly and the Fired Up shade. God damn it, Morphe, just put the names on the palette. Jesus, or don't give them names. I don't know. I'm gonna take the Sparks Fly. Jesus. The Sparks Fly shade on my finger. I'm just gonna tap it all over my lid because we are doing a smoky eye after all, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna do the other eye, put lashes. No, I'm not gonna put lashes on yet. I'm gonna do the other eye, and to do my base, I'll be right back on camera. If you guys only knew how cold it was in here, oh my god. I am freezing. So I'm gonna use a trick that Jackie Aina has been using, which is putting some cream highlighter, liquid highlighter underneath my foundation. This is the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Starstruck. It's a little bit of a pinky highlighter, which is not really the vibe of this look, but like, oh yes, oh yes, Riri. Yeah, that's a good highlight. It's a good highlight. I love using cream highlighters as bases on top of my foundation. I don't usually like put them like that, but because I'm not wearing anything, I'm just like, might as well, you know. I won't put any on my forehead because I like to see that my forehead is very textured, you know. I have all them pimples, all them like clogged pores. We keep it 100 over here, you feel me? For foundation, I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand. This is, I don't know if this is my shade anymore. As soon as school gets like a mess for me, it's not that I give up, it's just that I'm just like, I need to focus. This foundation is so nice. This foundation is literally my exact shade match. Like, it's the exact same thing. And I love that about it. You know, I love a foundation that self-matches. Imagine though. Because I know we've seen some like brands create like self-matching foundation, but it was kind of bull. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like it was a lie. It didn't self-match, okay? But imagine you just put a translucent liquid and then it just goes to like the same like tint of your skin. But the thing is, like, that's cute and everything, but I don't think it works because like it can't detect the shade of your skin. It can detect, however, the pigments, not the pigments, the acidity, like the levels of the pH. That's, it can like pick up the pH of your skin, right? That I believe. But does the pH of your skin reveal your skin tone? I don't think so. So you can still see this beam and pimple on my face right now. Well, concealer is here to fix that. Thank you so much. Born This Way again. This one is in the shade Natural Beige, I believe. Yep, Natural Beige. Oh my god, this pimple hurts so much. I've been trying to really not use like as much concealer lately because I think I use too much concealer. Could that be a thing? Like, I think I use like way too much concealer. I don't think I need as much concealer as I use, is what I'm trying to say. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I'm literally done with this. I have to buy another one. It's so good. I'm going to take my BH and the shade Fired Up, BH Cosmetics number 9. What did I miss that? The shade Fired Up from the Morphe, the orange, and I'm going to blend it right under my eyes. Then when I've blended that, I'm going to put a little bit of Allure Mercy translucent powder, just because I tend to get a little happy, you could say. Yes, I get very excited with my powder, you know, with my lower lash line. So just so I can keep this kind of like where it is, I'm going to take my tiny e.l.f. detail crease brush and I'm going to take the shade Sparks Fly, I think. Oh yes, sister. What we're gonna do for this, ladies and gentlemen, this is no game. We don't play games up in here. I'm gonna take a mix of Stroke of Luck right here and Express Yourself right here. Hopefully it looks cute because listen. Now I'm gonna check my BH Cosmetics to see if they have a lighter green because this green is quite dark. And I'm gonna take my e.l.f. tapered blending brush. e.l.f. has a really great collection of brushes, by the way. If you guys are ever looking for cheap brushes, they have really interesting shapes as well. Like this one is almost like a triangle and everything. So like, oh yes, this is. So I took this BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette and took this green right here. It's really light. I think it does the job perfectly. Now what I'm gonna do, okay, because I'm actually trying to finesse this into like an inner corner highlight. So like it's really cute right now. Oh, I live, it's so cute. I'm gonna take the NYX cream paint, which is not, it's barely white anymore, but it's supposed to be white is what I'm trying to say. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. Like I'm actually just gonna scrape a little bit of it on the back of this brush, put it on my hand and just like warm it up. I'm gonna take an e.l.f. Love e.l.f. today. e.l.f. contour brush. It's for the eyes. I mean, obviously you're not gonna contour with that. But just gonna put a little bit of white cream paint in my inner corner. Then I'm gonna go back with my BH green. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, we love her. She's cute. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust because I shine bright like a diamond, you know. So I'm gonna put a dollop of this. These Stila glitters just make glitter so easy. I love it. It's so convenient. For bronzer, yeah, I recently found this butter bronzer in a shade that actually fit me. It smells so good. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Endless Summer. Everyone is always raving about the butter bronzer, and I was like, okay. So, truth is, I decided that I wanted to try it too, but they never had my shade. And then I saw this like limited edition thing and I was like, oh yes. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I can most definitely see that this area has a shine. So we did put the highlighter underneath the foundation, but it kind of worked. Wow, Jackie! I'm so impressed. I never thought this would work. My favorite blush product that hasn't been the e.l.f. blush palette is the BH Cosmetics blush palette. I really like blush palettes because I like many shades. Now I'm gonna use this blush. If you know me, you know I put a lot of blush. The more blush I can put, the better. Yes, this is nice. I like this. I like a lot of blush because I like looking rosy. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. This looks gorgeous, like, oh! I need to stop. I'm so dramatic. Goddamn. Now I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush, put it in my highlighter, and then just. Amrezy said, "Playing with y'all, never." So I'm gonna take the Rimmel Long Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses in the shade Tiramisu. I'm a serial overliner, okay? I love big lips. I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in the shade Evelyn. Yo, ever since that BH Cosmetics video, I have not put this like lip nude combo down. You can't tell me I ain't got big lips. I don't trust you if you do. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Diamond. These lip glosses are the best. Like the Amrezy highlighter, by the way, a hit. I love this highlighter. It's so good. Don't you just love this lip gloss? Oh my god, I look so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on and I'll be right back. Oh my god, lip injections. Who? We don't know her. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the hoops on. It's serious business. I never wear earrings, but I love big hoops. So this is the final look. The lashes I used were the Genesis lashes by SlayX Cosmetics. You can use my code CocoBeauty in all caps for 20% off. FTC disclaimer in the description box. It's important that you know that this code is a affiliated code, so when you use it, I make a commission. If you don't want me to make commission, then don't use it. It's as simple as that, girl. Oh! She's fishy, she's cute. I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it add-on more creative for Instagram, but I'll put it right here so you can see what I did. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so it's a fun time. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions or things that you'd like to see me do. I love you guys incredibly much. Don't forget to subscribe. Wait, if you like me, my personality or this content I've been putting up, then please feel free to subscribe to this channel. You will enjoy yourself. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days.